YouTube Shorts link problem solved. YouTube is taking away your clickable links out of your shorts. No more in the description, no more in the comment section. This is going to ruin a lot of creators. Stick with me to the end of the video because I'm going to show you the solution and how to bail yourself out of this massive problem. If you're like me, you rely a good chunk of your income on product review posts, and the product link needs to be in the description for you to make any money. YouTube had to do this because of spammers, and they were directing traffic off-site to nefarious websites. It was only a matter of time before spammers ruined it for everybody. But wait, I got the solution for you. First of all, you're going to have to manually go into all your videos and update the links. Get rid of the links and put regular text in there. It's going to look pretty messy with just a dead link in there. Luckily for you, TubeBuddy has a bulk video processing tool, and you can find and replace text. And if you don't have TubeBuddy, there'll be a link in the description. Oh, social media profile links have been removed from your profile banner. So August 31st, links are gone. But end of September, they're going to add what's called content links. And this is how we're going to solve your problem. You're going to be able to put a content link in your YouTube short description that's going to lead to another form of content on YouTube, a long form content, a live stream, or a podcast. Doesn't work on playlists right now. But wait, that's not all. August 23rd, they're going to roll out links in bio, basically. Clickable links in profile. It's going to be like a link tree. You're going to get like 12 clickable links that you can put in. Of course, they have to be approved links. You have to follow terms and conditions on YouTube for the right links, but you can use them for your brand deals and to drive traffic. If you're lucky enough to be a Logi member, you have a website, go.shopping, with a deep link to Amazon. So this isn't going to hurt you so much. You're going to drive traffic to your link, to your go.shopping link. So now you have a link in bio with 12 clickable links that you can put in there. You can put all kinds of different brand deals, all kinds of products, or your web page, your blog posts, whatever you want, as long as they're approved by YouTube. So this change is going to force you to do what YouTube intended shorts to be, and that was to drive traffic to your long form content. So now you're going to put your content link in your short, and you're going to link it to another form of content on YouTube for discoverability. Links are not being removed in long form content. This is the #1 reason you need a mailing list. You need to build an off-site community where you have control over the community, and that's how you do it with a mailing list. Check out this next video. You're going to want to look at it if you need to make a mailing list. This is going to show you how to do it, where to do it, what you need, and get you started.